Hi, thanks for joining us. We are going to continue this journey of the Premium Starter Kit, and I will be sharing some key information about one of the oils in your kit called PanAway. Yes, PanAway is in your Premium Starter Kit. You might notice that that is one of the oils that has a different cap. And that is because it is a child-proof cap, because there is one chemical compound in here that is regulated by the FDA, and so Young Living, playing by the FDA rules, has made sure that this is safe and it has a child-proof cap. Now, the way I have it in my home is I have it with this color cap, and that is because we have chosen to use it topically using the roller figment that comes in also in your Premium Starter Kit. Now, we have chosen to dilute it with carrier oil, and so you are highly encouraged to dilute it with the carrier oil because it is so potent that a little bit does go a long way. Now, Young Living suggests that you can dilute it 1 drop to 4 of the V6 complex oil. I used fractionated coconut oil, and what I chose to do for my family was 15 drops, and the remainder of the bottle is filled with the fractionated coconut oil. So you pick what is best for you and your family. Now, how we use it in our family is to really cool and refresh our body after any kind of stimulating activity, where that is a long day at work or a long day sitting by the computer, or like when I go and do Zumba. Let me tell you, I sometimes need that cool and refreshing sensation in my body after an activity such as that. But you know, one of the awesome things about PanAway is that it has a blend of some amazing oils, and it has wintergreen, clove, peppermint, and helichrysum. And so these essential oils have not only a refreshing, but it also has a very invigorating aroma. And so that cooling sensation is something that I am sure that you will find extremely exciting when you start using it for yourself and for your family. And so we are super excited that we are doing this series where you are taking a journey with us through your Premium Starter Kit. And PanAway is a must-have, in my opinion, because it is a must-have in our family. So I hope you learned something, and I hope you continue enjoying the journey with us. And we wish you wellness, peace, and joy. Thanks again for watching.